I am Dipanji from BSc Chemistry on our second year. Today I am here to discuss the topic type of IR bands. IR bands can be classified as strong, medium, or weak depending on their relative intensities in the infrared spectrum. A strong band covers most of the y axis, a medium band fails to about half of the y axis, and a weak band fails to about one third or less of the y axis. IR spectrum, the graph which is plotting between absorbance or transmittance wave number is called IR spectrum. Parts of IR spectrum near IR, it ranges from 12,500 to 4,000 per centimeter. It is also called overtone region. Middle IR, it ranges from 4,000 to 667 per centimeter. It is also called fundamental vibration region. It has further two parts. Parts of middle IR, functional group region. It ranges from 4,000 to 1,400 per centimeter. It has bands for a number of functional group. Fingerprint group region. It ranges from 1,400 to 667 per centimeter. It has bands resulting from sum and differences of vibrational frequency. It is unique for each compound. The IR spectra of two different compounds can never be same except in enantiomers. So it is used for identification of a compound. For IR region, it ranges from 667 to 50 per centimeter. It is also called pure rotation region. So it is not important for us. Calculation of vibration frequency. By using Hooke's law, we know that mu is equal to reduced mass and k is equal to force constant. So mu V bar is equal to 1 by 2 pi c under root k by mu. Position of absorption band in IR spectra. The position of IR absorption band in IR spectra depends upon the nature of the bond, functional group, type of bond. Serial number 1. In alkanes, frequency is 2850 to 2970 per centimeter. In alkenes, it is 3100 to 3000 per centimeter. In alkynes, 3300 centimeter per centimeter. Example, the CH bond length order among the sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, and sp. Percentage as character 25%, 33%, 50%. Least electronegative, most electronegative. Percentage as character increase, electronegativity increase. Attraction between C and H atom increase, CH bond strength increase. Vibrational frequency also increases. Now, Fermi resonance, the process in which doublet is formed due to the interaction in between primary overtone of CH in plane bendings 2 multiplied 1390 to 2780 per centimeter and CH stretching 2830 to 2695 per centimeter is called Fermi resonance. Fermi resonance results in the splitting of two vibrational bands that have nearly the same energy and symmetry in both the IR and Raman spectroscopies. The two bands are usually a fundamental vibration and either a overtone or a combination band. The wave functions for the two resonant vibrations mix according to the harmonic oscillator approximation, and the result is a shift in the frequency and a change in the intensity in the spectrum. As a result, two strong bands are observed in the spectra instead of the expected strong and weak bands. It is not possible to determine the contribution from each vibration because of the resulting mixed wave function. Serial number 4, 5, and 6. C bond in alkanes 1300 to 800 per centimeter. C double bond C in alkenes 1640 to 1600 per centimeter. C triple bond C in alkynes 2300 to 2100 per centimeter. Alkene, alkynes. Number of bonds increase, attraction between the atoms increase, bond length decrease, vibrational frequency increase, but bond strength, force constant increase. Type of bond. C double bond C in benzene. Frequency 1600 to 1450. CH in benzene approximately 3330 per centimeter. Shoulder like band 3100 to 3000 in benzene ring. 9. Type of bond CO stretching in ethers 1300 to 1000 per centimeter. Identification of an ether and an unknown molecule is difficult because many of other strong band can appear in the same region. Ethers cannot be confirmed in the presence of C double bond O group and COH group. IR spectra of free OH and H bonded OH group. For the neat liquid, all the alcohol is considered hydrogen bonding, so the hydrogen bonding OH broad peak is visible. As the alcohol is dissolved in a no hydrogen bonding solvent, the free OH weak peak becomes more visible. Type of band free OH in alcohol 3600 per centimeter. As the concentration of solution increases, extent of intermolecular hydrogen bonding increase, and thus additional bands start appearing at lower frequency because OH bond length increase in alcohol, so vibration frequency decrease. Alcohol associated bond length increase, vibrational frequency decrease. Free OH in vapor phase or in very dilute solution in non-polar solvent in phenol. OH bond length increase, OH bond strength decrease, vibrational frequency decreases. On moving from primary alcohol to secondary tertiary alcohol, the number of plus I effect R group increase and thus the OH bond length increase, so vibrational frequency decrease. Primary alcohol strong bond low vibrational frequency, secondary alcohol vibrational frequency, tertiary alcohol weak bond low vibrational frequency. OH stretching dimeric in carboxylic acid broad band at 3560 से 3500 free OH stretching in carboxylic acid higher frequency than normal 3300 to 2500 per centimeter. The OH strengthening vibration of carboxylic acid overlaps all the CH stretching vibration of alkene, alkene, alkyne. Rag band appear at 2700 and 2500 per centimeter due to coupling interaction in between overtone of OH in plane binding and CH stretching in carboxylic acid. During conversion of carboxylic acid into carboxylate ion, OH band disappear in rag bands also vanishes. CO stretching also disappear. Two bonds appear at 1600 per centimeter and 1400 per centimeter due to asymmetrical and symmetrical stretching by carboxylate ion. Carboxylic acid gives carboxylate anion. Symmetrical stretching gives unsymmetrical stretching. Type of bond CO carbonic group 1650 to 1000 CH in plain binding in aldehyde approximately 1390 CO in aldehydes 1725 per centimeter. Conjugation decreases the vibrational frequency by 30 per centimeter in aldehyde and ketone. CO in ketones 1718 per centimeter. Aldehyde 1725 पर सेंटीमीटर. एल्डिहाइड 1720 पर सेंटीमीटर. कीटोन 1718 पर सेंटीमीटर. More plus I effect then it increase. Weaker then decrease. Lower vibration frequency means decrease. Now 1720 per centimeter and 1690 per centimeter. More plus R effect conjugation increase. Weaker CO bond and lower vibrational frequency. Type of bond CO stretching and carboxylic acid 1710. CO stretching and carboxylic acid 1760 cm. A carboxylic acid functional group combines the features of alcohols and ketones because it has both the OH bond and the CO bond. Therefore, the carboxylic acid show a very strong and broad band covering a wide ranging between 2800 and 3500 per centimeter. For the OH stretch, at the same time, they also show the stake-shaped bond in the middle of spectrum around 1710 cm corresponding to the CO stretch. Carboxylic acid is a monomer and carboxylic acid is a dimer. In this, you can see hydrogen bonding is present. Thank you. Have a nice day.